Welcome back to the kitchen of Meals with Milz. In this episode I will be making chicken and bacon bake. Thank you to those who have subscribed and viewed my videos, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright, let's start cooking. So these are the ingredients for our recipe. I have got chicken fillets that I'm marinating in buttermilk for about 2 hours. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or a lemon juice. Mix it together and then marinate the chicken. I've also got bacon, garlic, I hope you can see, onions, cream, and a condensed cream of chicken soup, along with our salt and pepper and olive oil for frying. So what I'll do, I will drain the buttermilk from the chicken, and then I'll dip the chicken in the flour, and then I just want to brown it before we cook the rest of the dish. So dip your chicken in the flour, just get it ready. In this recipe I'm using a mix of thigh pieces and breast fillet. I'm just dipping the chicken in the flour and have it ready to fry. Adding some oil. So that's about the right colour I'm after. And just turning it around. So these are nice and brown. The other side, I'm gonna put them in the dish. So that's about the right color I'm after. Okay, I'm just browning the chicken and the bacon. This is about the longest part of this recipe. It's just browning our chicken and bacon. The rest is just easy. Doesn't take long at all. Just add a little bit more oil in the middle, olive oil. put it in the dish. And then I'll brown our bacon. Enough. I'm going to add our bacon now to the pan. And just spread it around. So that's what it looks like. And a tablespoon of olive oil. So we'll fry our onions. Okay, we're now adding our garlic, about 3 cloves of minced garlic, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and then we're going to add our chicken, a can of our condensed cream of chicken soup. Okay. And then for that we will add about a cup of light cream or full cream, whatever you decide to use. Okay. And just stir it around. We are going to add our sauce to our pan here. We've got our chicken and bacon. Okay, spread it around. And then pour our sauce over. To cover. I hope you can see everyone. I'll just add the rest of our sauce. Add sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top, and then we'll grill it in the oven for about 5 minutes, just to brown the top with our cheese. Add into it. So our bake is ready to go in the oven now. Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay everyone, so this is our dish, our chicken and bacon bake. I have just brought it out of the oven. It was in the oven for about 5 minutes, just browning the top, grilling the cheese that I added on top. So I'm going to taste our food now. Okay. A bit of bacon as well. Okay. So see how nice and juicy it is? So I'm having this. We are having this with some rice and steamed veggies for dinner. So I'll just taste that. Of course my plate will be bigger than that, but this is just for tasting. So see how nice creamy chicken and bacon bake. Okay, I will taste it and I shall let you know how it goes. Nice. Okay, it's really hot. The chicken is so juicy. So 5 minutes I would say is the max, because if you leave it in there too long it will go dry, especially your breast fillet. I used breast fillet as well as thigh fillets, because some people like breast, some people like thigh fillets. So that's why I mix, I use both. Well, see how it's nice. I don't know if you can see from the camera. See how it's nice and juicy inside. So the marinating in the buttermilk, I think it does make the chicken juicier, especially the breast fillet. So I'll have one more taste and then it is delicious. One more. So there's our chicken and bacon bake. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Everyone, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please let me know how you go if you do try it. In the meantime, I appreciate your love and support and for viewing my videos. Take care and I will catch up with you again.
I've been looking for a love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar,